Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with some easy to make non-fried snack recipes which are healthy as well as tasty. So let's begin. For making masala peanut, we need 1 cup of peanuts. First we need to remove the skin of peanuts. For this I am microwaving this one for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 more minutes and then we can remove the skin. Along with peanuts, I am adding some finely chopped green chillies, finely chopped onion, some de-seeded tomato, grated cucumber, and some lemon juice. Adding 3/4 teaspoon of kashmiri chilli powder to give a nice red color, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Sprinkle some salt as per taste. Finally, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix well. Garnishing with some coriander leaves, and it's ready to serve. Next one is apple carrot sandwich. Take 1 apple and roughly grate it, squeezing out the excess juice from apple so that sandwich will not turn out to be too moist and wet. Transferring this into a mixing bowl. Add some grated carrot, cinnamon powder and some mayonnaise. Mix well. Filling is ready. Let's prepare sandwiches. Take 2 bread slices, trim the edges of the bread slices. Adding prepared apple carrot filling. And sandwich is ready. Let's make all the sandwiches like this. Here I am using milk bread. You can take brown bread and wholemeal bread instead of milk bread. We can even make sandwich rolls using the same filling. Roll the bread slices flat by using a chapati roller. Adding prepared sandwich filling and roll it up tightly. Applying a little bit of water on the edges of the bread slices. Press it well and seal it. If you want, you can toast it by applying a little bit of ghee. These are ready to serve. Next one, pasta salad. Here I have taken 1 cup of pasta and boiled it by adding enough water and some salt. Pasta is ready. To this I am adding grated carrot, some grated beetroot, 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and mixing it well. Some crushed pepper for mild spiciness, and some chaat masala for some extra flavor. Finally, half teaspoon of sugar just to balance all the flavors. Give it a good mix and salad is ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves.